Hi, I'm Jo Crofts. Welcome to the Commander tutorial. This tutorial has been made to introduce you to Commander and help you get started using the software. If you would like more information, please visit the website below. You will also find links for the installation guide and the user guide here too. Let's look at the Commander software. Within the Commander software, we can choose what clients we want to use. A client is a host PC that will run the Venturi 1 analysis software. You can have as many clients as you want to set up, and the system will spread the analysis across all the different clients that are connected. To specify a client, click the Add button and enter a name for that client and the IP address for that client. It is better for this solution if the IP address remains static. The client PC must be running Venturi 1 software. If the system can connect to Venturi 1, you will see a green tick. If for any reason the system can't connect to a client, you will see the red spyglass, indicating that it can't see a copy of Venturi 1. Above that, we have the folders area, which are the folders containing the data files for analysis. So here, what I can do is add one or more files ready for analysis. In this case, I'm going to add this folder here. Within the settings, I need to set up various locations. Firstly, the location and the name of the playlist I want to use to analyze my files. So the first workspace within that playlist will be the workspace that all the files within the particular location are analyzed with. The LM base folder is simply the starting point that I use to search when I'm looking for the folders of data. So when you select the Add button, it will take you to this location. The shared folder location is where temporary playlists are constructed for all of the files that need analyzing. The shared location must be a location that the clients have access to, as well as the Commander software. The results folder is the location where your exported results will be stored. This will be in the form of a CSV file per plate analyzed. All of these network locations must be visible to the client PC and the Commander PC. If you use a location that is not visible, the software will not work. Once you have added the folders of data files, to begin analysis, we need to press the Start button. The software will create a temporary playlist and send that playlist to a client for processing. So here we have a copy of Venturi 1 running alongside Commander, and in practice you will probably have Venturi 1 running on a separate networked PC. So I will press Start, and the files are analysed and the results gathered. Double-clicking on a completed item in the Commander dialog will allow you to see the completed results in the CSV file. So here we see that the spreadsheet shows the results from all the regions from all the plots on all of the samples. So that was a small experiment, so let's give it some more data to actually work through. So I will delete the files that I have already run, and I'm going to add in 4 folders of 384 well plate data. I'll select the playlist template that I want to use and then start processing. That's the first plate complete. That's the second. Third. And the fourth. And now you can see that the results are all saved in the results folder that we actually pointed to. And that is the Commander software. Thank you for listening to the tutorial. If you do want any more information, please visit the website below. Thanks again.